Where are we? Come over here, baby. Let me see your ticket. We've got a ticket to ride. That's gonna be our elevator to space. What time is it? 1:07. It says a space elevator boarding pass. We're departing Earth and arriving in CSS.
Mama,
What is
how do you
CSS?
try off the sanitizer?
They're all sanitized. It's okay. Just let it soak in. Yeah.
See how it goes from Earth to spaceship. That's so cool. What do you think
All right, are we ready to head to space?
Are you ready?
Yeah, okay.
Wow.
All right, my friends, right this way.
Do you want to go over on the other side? How about right here is where we get out. See the hatch up there? So we're gonna take off.
All right, space travelers.
Welcome aboard the Stellarator. In just a few moments, you'll be on your way up to Space 220 aboard the Centauri space station. Enjoy the ride.
Alrighty, my friends. Today on our journey, we'll be going up 220 miles above from Epcot at a speed of 10,000 miles per hour. Are we ready?
Ready?
Alrighty, my friends. Enjoy the ride.
You are clear. Initiating in 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarator.
Look up, Landon. Look up.
And technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
Bye, Epcot.
SV2.
I see Florida. I see space.
You'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open airlock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
SV2 cleared for
No, it's gonna be us.
Centauri Space Station, that's what CSS.
Alrighty, my friends. That was way quicker than taking the stairs, right? Alright, my friends. I'm going to head straight down, okay?
Yeah.
Next person. Thank you, though.
She's ready to get rid of that
Enjoy,
thing.
my friends.
Thank you. Nope, I think up here.
Look at all that lettuce.
It's gonna be a good space salad.
Love your dress. You think about today?
Like a space princess.
She is.
Last name.
Laws?
Bye guys, I'm going to say that.
Yes.
All right. What we like to color?
Yes, we are coloring space.
All right.
Princess stuff.
There
Space
you go.
princess stuff.
Now follow me, Ethan.
All right, follow her.
Enjoy guys.
Thank you.
Our first time up in space, right?
Second time.
So welcome back.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna go to spot here.
Well, you are gonna have a good spot, but we're not gonna be right next to the beginning.
We're not gonna be why?
No, you'll have an even better view. Right here.
Let's sit here. This is so exciting, Landon. What do you see? A rocket ship? Oh, I see it. Oh, astronaut! She's freaking out. Are you so excited? There's two astronauts.
It's a nice looking spaceship there.
Yeah, are they docking at our space station? Are they coming in for lunch?
It's kind of turning and going away.
They could be docking.
Could be, but I think they're spinning around and going away.
So I love the music. It makes you, it's kind of like spa music. It's so relaxing. Alright, I'm either gonna do the pad thai, as long as they don't have mushrooms, or I'll just do the spaghetti vegetarian with no shrimp.
Oh yeah.
We didn't get the glow cube last time. Wow. It's a bendy. What is that, Phil?
Smoked old fashioned.
Oh
Lemon
my.
grass citrus flavored
It's
shot.
so bubbly.
Look at Daddy's space drink. Wow. Landon, I did not think you could be more excited to eat in space like you were last year, but you are just as excited, aren't you?
She said this is her favorite place to eat.
It is?
It's mine too.
Is it? The waiter said that they are building a hotel above the space station. That's why all these spaceships are docking. Docking means like you know, like oh, there's an astronaut.
Astronaut. Daddy, behind you. There's two.
Look, he's saying, "Come this way." Oh, he did a somersault.
Daddy, one did a somersault.
How is your space drink, Daddy? She's screaming. You can't, I know you're excited, baby. Just not as loud.
Two spaceships.
An astronaut.
It's a delicious old fashioned, but it's black. Which is
Black?
very
Is that
good.
coffee?
There's something in it.
Is it good? My space Cabernet is good. It's just, he's a construction worker, but is that a drum? What is
What are
that?
they doing with these?
Daddy, what'd you get? Let me get closer to you, Landon. Some spaghetti. And I got a delicious burrata. I think I had this last time. This is so good.
But the train's not this.
Can we mix up the pasta? It's very hot, baby.
Mama, imagine games on your phone.
Let it cool.
Look, what's my
That's not much sauce, is it? You want more sauce? I had no idea, but there's watermelon underneath. So good. This is a delicious dish. Okay, our server said this is vacuum sealed watermelon, so it makes it sweeter, and it's vacuum sealed for 48 hours. And I can't, like, the combination, isn't it so good, Phil?
So good. I'm not sure why you've been depriving the family of vacuum sealed watermelon so far.
Do I need to start vacuum sealing our fruit?
I mean, no pressure.
Yeah. Nah, I don't do enough.
No.
I just step
Our
up.
fruit needs to be concentrated that way.
Look at those sprinkles. That looks like a space cupcake if I've ever seen one. How do you think you like dive into that? Do you want Daddy to cut it?
I think you pull this.
Let her.
Pull that side.
Yeah.
Pull that side
Oh, look.
too. Now it's
It's like
there
a
for
blossom
the taking.
of deliciousness. Well. Alright, pad thai with no mushroom. How's the cupcake, Landon? Yeah? Is yours good, Daddy?
Delicious.
This is so good. I love the cilantro, the texture's good. It's not too spicy. Delicious. It's like if we were a family of astronauts. Me, Daddy, and you. Is this a must-do?
It's a must do if you can get in.
Yeah, if you get in.
Food, environment's
I need that.
very unique.
Daddy.
I've never seen her so excited, too.
Daddy,
Like,
I want Christmas. Daddy, I
I've never seen her this excited.
yeah.
Daddy, I want Christmas.
Delicious vegetarian. This is Forte. Ready?
So
good. It's for you, Tate. When did the moon show up? Say goodbye, space. Until next time.
I want to watch the moon.
That's really cool. All right, let's go down the space elevator. You have to get in line. Enjoying space laps. All right, I think I see our space elevator.
Heading straight down, okay?
So I can see Earth.
Okay.
Landon, soon the hotel will be up there.
Up there.
Daddy.
And how was everything today?
Delicious.
Good. It was out of this world, all right?
It was.
For departure. Initiating descent in 3, 2, 1.
hotel is gonna be? I heard there's a space hotel being built above us. Oh no, looks like there's rain back in Florida. See the big, big ball.
Test chat. Almost there. Close. Where's this guy? We made it.
We went so far up.
So you made it.
Did you have a good dinner? Lunch?
Yeah.
Felt like dinner because it looked like night.
Piece of cake, right?
So weird to go out into the sunlight. Is it raining? Favorite part of Space Mountain?
I like the food. I like the drink. I like the atmosphere.
Yeah. Do you like Atlanta?
I think it's a good like break for the day.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Takes you to like a different place.
I feel like you're gonna walk outside for the nighttime.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back to Grand Floridian, take a rest, get ready for the 6 o'clock at Storybook Dining.
Mama, you scratched me.
I was.
What's your name was around and be a Disney?
Mama, what did it hurt?
Must be Disney.
What was her name?
Stacy.
Mommy, scratched on right here.
I'm so sorry.
And it hurt because it's hurt.
It hurt because what?
Biting. Again.
What is wrong with her? Wait.
Again.
I'd like to go see the bar, the Beauty and the Beast bar at Grand Floridian. We haven't done that.
Oh, let's do that.
Yeah, and then.
Oh, and also the lightsaber one too.
Oh, the lightsaber astronaut.
Oh, what's her name?
And it has a special costume for tonight. And a fun day. It's like 2 of our favorite restaurants.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.